In this video we are gonna color one of my coloring pages, Flat White Kitchen Cafe. I'll put the link to them in the description. And the colors I will be using: olive green, yellow, warm grey, cerulean blue, raw sienna, burnt umber, red ochre, coral. I will start with the coral, which is really nice pink, and I'm gonna draw some dots as flowers and also color in the curtains. I am drawing with round brush size 11, but use any brush you feel comfortable with. And if you don't know how to trace the digital coloring page onto watercolor paper, I will also leave the link to the video where I show you how to do it. Next, I will use cerulean blue, but here you can use any blue you have, and I will color around the upper window and also inside the windows. I will also add some lines onto the building with this color because I like when you have the same color throughout the drawing. And if in some places you put down too much color, then you can lift it up with clean wet brush. Next color will be raw sienna, and I will color in the windowsill, the door, also the chair, like all the wooden things, except the tree trunk. I want darker brown for that. So now with burnt umber, I will color in the tree trunk and also the frame of this sign. Now I am using red ochre for the flower pots. I will color in all of them except one. I will add a different color for that a bit later. And now is also a good time to think about where your light source is. Mine is on the right, so I am making the right side of the pots a bit lighter than the left side. Now I am adding the yellow color to the mailbox and the doorknob and also the light bulbs in the window, and I also wanted to color in the background of that sign on the right side with the yellow. The window in real life is white, but I decided to add raw sienna, and also I will color in that flower pot I left empty with raw sienna. Now we need to add some color for the greenery. I am using olive green, so I am coloring around the flowers and also adding some dots outside of the lines. because I think it looks more interesting that way. So this building in real life is white, but nothing is really white, and I want to add some color. So I am using warm gray, and I have really watered it down, so it is a really light color, like a touch of gray. And I am drawing all around the building, and I will also add this warm gray to the pavement. Then I am letting this layer to dry a bit, and I am adding more saturated warm gray, like the places that are darker. So you need to think about where your light source is and darken everything accordingly to that. So like if my light source is on the right side, then I will make shadows on the left side, like you see here. And I want to add more dimension to the door and to the greenery. So for the door I am using burnt umber, and I'm just adding some lines. And for the greenery I will use another layer of olive green and just dab and let the previous layer shine through. And at the end I am adding splatters all over the drawing with colors from our palette, like green, yellow, red. And that's it. The drawing is finished. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Bye!